What's up, friends? Trainer Roger A. Palmer here, coming to you with your 7-day vegan challenge. Top 3 things that you're going to get into this challenge. Number 1, you're going to get awesome, tasty, delicious recipes. That's a given, right? Number 2, you're going to get a 7-day journal. That way you can journal and feel how you're feeling during this challenge. Number 3, you're going to also get a calorie calculator. That way you can see how many calories you need each and every day, whether you want to bulk up, lose weight, or maintain your current weight. Guys, I also dropped some bonuses in there for you. 2 more bonuses actually. Number 1, you're also going to get my 7-day workout program right here for free. Yes, if you haven't joined my workout program as yet. And number 2, for that bonus right here, you're also going to get a ebook, right? That way you can transition from your current lifestyle into a vegan lifestyle. If you finish the challenge and you're like, Roger, I want to transition into a vegan, you're also going to get that too as well. So guys, go ahead and click the link below. It is only $7.99, right? Such an amazing deal. I've packaged this one for you together for only $7.99. $400 worth of value today for only $7.99. So let's go ahead and click the link below. Let's go and sign up, and I'll see you in the next video. And without further ado, let's rise!